Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. On your Samsung, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the computer recognizes it. Next, use a known good data-capable USB cable, not a charge-only cable, and plug into a working USB port. Once done, unlock the phone and select File Transfer, also called MTP, from the USB options. This tells the system to expose files. If you see a charging-only prompt, change it immediately so your computer can browse the phone storage. Now you connect and verify drivers. On Windows, open Device Manager and look for Samsung entries. On Mac OS, check Finder and Android File Transfer. If the phone shows as unknown or won't appear, install Samsung USB drivers or Smart Switch. These add the proper MTP support. Once installed, reconnect the phone and watch for the device name to appear. If problems persist, try a different USB cable or port, or test with another computer to determine whether the issue is local to one machine. You finish by performing the transfer. Open the phone storage in your file manager and drag files to the computer, watching progress to confirm completion. If transfers stop or error, reboot both the phone and computer, then repeat the exact sequence from enabling file transfer to connecting. If issues continue, switch to alternatives like Cloud Sync, a Wi-Fi transfer app, or remove the SD card and use a card reader. A key troubleshooting tip: if transfers fail repeatedly, test with a different cable and port to root.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.